Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I would like to tell you about unity and coherence in writing paragraph. Before that, I will tell you about my groups. Is group 4. There are Ahmad, Basahil, Devi, Hanas, Tasya, and I'm Lafifah, Suliya. I will tell you about unity and coherence. Before that, I will tell you about paragraph unity. Paragraph unity is the most important characteristic of a good paragraph. It defines that a sentence is a paragraph should speak about the one single idea or one main subject. That is, the topic sentence, the supporting details, and the concluding sentence should focus on only one idea. Further, paragraph should also be coherence. Present in a paragraph should flow smoothly from the one to the other. Paragraph should not only be well developed and unified but also coherence. Okay, the next explanation I will tell this to my partner is Devi Anastasia. Okay, the time is yours, Devi. Thank you.
Okay, now it's my turn to tell you guys about unity and coherence. Unity. Unity in a paragraph means that the entire paragraph should focus on one single idea. The supporting details should explain the main idea. The concluding sentence should end the paragraph with the same idea. Thus, a unified paragraph presents a thought, supported with adequate details, and completed with a conclusion. Coherence. Coherence means establishing a relationship between the ideas presented in a paragraph. It brings about a rationale in the arrangement of the ideas which are introduced either in the chronological order or in the order of importance. Besides, transition the compare, contrast, illustrate, add, or show cause and effect with logical bridges. The ideas, thus expressed in the paragraph, flow smoothly from one to the other in a logical sequence. This helps the reader to understand the paragraph. Well, next slide will be continued by Basahil.
And then the example. The human body is a wonderful piece of work that nature has created. It is not beautiful like the body of a butterfly or peacock, but it is shaped practically. It can do many types of work which other animal cannot. It is not strong like the body of tiger, but in place of sickle strength, it has big and sharp brain. By using this brain, the human psyche has been able to overcome many of its limitations. By sitting in an aeroplane, it flies faster than a kite. By riding a motorcycle, it travels faster than leopard. And by firing a machine gun, it flies much better than tiger. In spite of all this, the human body suffers from many diseases. Because it has a weakness for habits such as smoking, drinking, and overeating. When it is healthy, the body can give a great pleasure, but when it's sick, it can cause great pain. The wise man would always keep his body fit. Become a healthy mind can work only a healthy body. And then the explanation. The first sentence states the main idea of the paragraph and claims the superiority of human body over the rest of the creation. It enables the reader to expect the following idea in paragraph that explained and illustrated the qualities and attributes of the human body. The second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and 7 sentence compare, contrast, elucidate, and justify the main idea or topic sentence. They establish the main theme, a logical explanation, and transition. They create a graphic picture the mind of the reader with a suitable and appropriate language expression. In brief, they develop the main idea of the paragraph and the eighth and the ninth sentence, interpret and analyze the limitation of the human body, and prove the strength of the topic sentence. They further lead the main idea into including thought. Finally, the 10th sentence conclude with the idea that human body should be well prepared for a proper functioning of the system, and the healthy mind can work only in a healthy body. Thus, the paragraph, the human body is a unified and coherent paragraph.
Okay, that's all about unity and coherence in writing paragraphs. If you all have question about unity and coherence, you may ask that. Thank you.